Welcome back. In the last video, we talked about selecting an object in Prisma3d. Today, we'll dive into Edit Mode, where you can modify your model in more detail. To enter Edit Mode, follow these steps. Select your model. Scroll down the left toolbar and tap on Modeling. This will take you into Edit Mode, where you can start editing your model. Once in Edit Mode, you'll see 5 icons in the left toolbar. First, we have the Add Object icon. This allows you to add new objects or models while in Edit Mode. Object Mode, the default mode, where the whole object is selected. Face Mode allows you to select and edit individual faces of your model. Edge Mode lets you work with the edges of your model. Vertex Mode allows you to modify individual points, vertices of the model. At the bottom of the screen, we have the Modeling toolbar, which contains essential tools for editing your model. Move allows you to drag objects in any direction using the gizmo arrows. Rotate lets you spin objects around different axes. Scale resizes objects proportionally or along specific axes. Line Cut, a precise cutting tool for adding custom cuts to faces. Loop Cut adds edge loops around an object for extra geometry. Mirror creates symmetrical edits by mirroring one side of an object. Extrude extends faces or edges to add more geometry. Delete removes selected faces, edges, or entire objects. Material apply materials and textures. Rigging prepare the model for animation. Smoothing adjust the smoothness of the model. Rename the object. Hide temporarily hide the object. Export your model. Undo or redo, located in the bottom left corner to revert changes. Fill tool fills gaps between selected edges. That's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, we'll explore how to use these tools effectively to shape your model. Stay tuned!